Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. As always, I have chosen some pairs and we will analyze them as we go. Starting with Euro Aussie, we had a trend continuation with a higher settings retracement, and of course with our system with lower risk, your entry would be here with 60-70 pips of an APO, and you would be already with your last position running 330 pips. If you were conservative, you could have taken this trade 4 times your APO, of course, but the major opportunity was here after price reacted double tops. We had a wedge, a trend line break, and of course as a breakout strategy we already know how to deal with it. We already have a strategy for this. Again, with an APO of 80 pips, you would be, let me calculate that, we're talking about 600 pips. 5 times our APO, even higher. And of course, as always, what I say is keep your last position running. You can go for 100 pips more. Now let's see New Zealand dollar CAD. Another combination on lower settings and lower risk. We had the bounce, we had the trend line break, we had the retracement. Again, APO like 30 pips, already 130 more, again more than 4 times. You can see price started going higher and higher and higher, and of course you would be somewhere here. If you trailed your APO on M12, you will still be in the trade. Of course, whatever happens after that, we will check it on our top-down approach Monday morning. So again, 4 times our APO on New Zealand dollar CAD, definitely with a win-win scenario. Now, if we check Aussie CAD with a major trend line coming from much more higher settings, we already had in our mind a bounce opportunity, and of course, as a bounce, we had also our setup here. If you are already in, you stay in. Plenty of room already covered. We're talking about 300 pips, but if you waited a bit, then you had another opportunity. And again, according to our strategy and the rules, even from here with an APO of 50, 60 pips, you have 200 pips already, and of course plenty of room to cover. So you see, with an APO like 50-60 pips, we are going for 360. Like I said, for now 210. So 3 times our APO, win-win scenario. Trail your APO according to the rules, and you will have nothing to worry about. Another opportunity on CHF yen, again after a major reaction, a trend line break, a higher settings retracement with a lower opportunity. APO like maybe 20 pips. We already know that we have our win-win scenario. Last position still running 110 pips, and already knowing through our top-down approach that we'll be going for 250. Okay, 100 pips, no problem with that. 5 times our APO, so no harm done. Again, as I always say, last position running still long-term target. Now, with only these 4 pairs, we had 16 times our APO, 750 pips in our piggyback. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful weekend and stay safe. Bye bye everybody.